Welcome, in front of me is a HUAWEI MatePad Pro, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through settings. So to get started, let's open up the settings app, and from here scroll all the way down to System and Update, choose Reset, and then Reset Tablet. And we'll provide you with a list of things that we'll remove, so that includes your accounts, update and system settings, installed apps, music, photos, and all files on the internal storage. In other words, it removes everything that you have put on the device yourself, all your personal stuff and the data that you have also loaded on it. So if there's something that you would like to keep, you might want to back it up before you begin, otherwise you will lose it permanently. But if you have already done that or you don't really want to, tap on Reset Tablet. If you have some kind of pattern, you will need to confirm it. As you can see, I do. And once you confirm it, tap on Reset Tablet once more, and the process will now begin. Now this will take a couple minutes, but once it's finished, we should be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.